Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Nishant Shrivastava. I am professor of Technocrat Institute of Nursing. So today's our topic is pulmonary volumes. It is the topic of under physiology. So whatever we take, the oxygen and release carbon dioxide, and how much the quantity we take regularly in a rhythm. So let's we discuss about the pulmonary volumes, means our lung capacity. So the lung expand and contract during the breathing cycle, drawing air in and out of the lungs. It is measured by spirometer. So lungs volume and lungs capacity refer to the volume of air associated with different phases of the respiratory cycle. The average total lung capacity of an adult human male is about 6 liters of air. So the tidal volume is the volume of air that is inhaled or exhaled in only a single such breath. Means we take only 500 ml air at a single breath. So this is called as tidal volume. The number of breath cycle per minute is known as the respiratory rate. So approx 16 to 18 times in per minute. So IRV and ERV, inspiratory reserve volume and expiratory reserve volume. So IRV is 3000 ml and ERV is 1100 ml. Inspiratory capacity is 3500 ml, IRV plus tidal volume. So functional residual capacity is 2300 ml. So residual volume 1200 ml. Not all the air in the lungs can be expelled during maximal forced exhalation. This is the residual volume of about 1 to 1.5 liter, which cannot be measured by spirometer. So residual volume. Vital capacity is 4600 ml IRV plus tidal volume plus expiratory reserve volume. And total lung capacity is 5800 ml, means inspiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, expiratory reserve volume, and reserve volume. So the total is 5800 ml. So last one is dead space ventilation. The volume of air that does not reach the alveoli during inhalation, but instead remain in the airway per minute. This is the 150 ml. It means nose to terminal bronchi air, which is found in the tract, respiratory tract. So it is a dead space ventilation. It is not functional in respiratory exchange. So this is the chart of respiratory volume. So in this chart, we can see this. This is the normal inspiration and expiration volume. This is also known as tidal volume It means we intake 500 ml inspiration, then expiration. So this is tidal volume. After the inspiration, we can take forcefully inspiration. So this is called inspiratory reserve volume, means forceful inspiration. And after the exhalation, we can forcefully expirate the air. So this is ERV. After the forceful expiration, whatever the amount is remaining in the lungs area or alveoli area, this is called residual volume. After the forceful expiration, this is the residual volume. So inspiratory capacity means inspired IRV, and tidal volume means total inspiration, and expiration is forcefully expirated, and residual volume is FRC. Same vital capacity, remaining residual volume leave. So in all total, inspiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, and expiratory reserve volume is a vital capacity, and overall capacity is total lung capacity. So thank you.